Hi. In this video, we will quickly compare Systeme versus ClickFunnels. A free and simple alternative to a ClickFunnels is Systeme. It features a powerful free plan. You don't need a credit card to use Systeme. It's free. If you're planning on using Systeme's unlimited plan, you'll save about $2,400 annually. You can simplify your life by joining the Systeme family. It will allow you to focus on building a successful online business. Comparing Systeme.io and ClickFunnels. A free and simple alternative to a ClickFunnels is Systeme. It features a powerful free plan. The basic plan of ClickFunnels costs almost $100, and it only allows you to build 20 sales funnel. With Systeme.io's unlimited plan, you can create more than 20 different types of campaigns and websites. For instance, if you want to create email marketing and affiliate programs, you'll need to spend $297 a month with the monthly plan of ClickFunnels. With the free plan of Systeme, you can get all of these features for nothing. You don't have to wait days to get help from our support team, as they'll respond to your questions within 2 hours. If you're looking to host videos and send marketing messages using ClickFunnels, you'll require a lot of money to get other services to do it. With Systeme.io instead, you can use it without requiring third-party integrations. Get your free account now. We make the process easier so that you can concentrate on growing your business. Free forever. No credit card required. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.